The NPP candidate from Shillong parliamentary seat, Ampareen said that she is committed to represent different communities' interests and to connect with the people at grassroots level. While addressing an election rally held at Maulasnai under Mauhati constituency on Thursday, Lingdo said that if she is elected, she will raise in the parliament on the ill treatment of the minority communities in various parts of the country. The NPP candidate also said that she will speak on the issue on the inclusion of the Khasi language in the 8th schedule. The two former MLAs, Samlin Malnyang and Ngaitlang Dhar, also spoke during the election rally to drum support to Lingdo.
Kamtam na kanya ka party prak mo, o mga party prak, kabalak renben, jaga party NPP, kabalak renben jaga sokar kajongi, handrai ngano pandang YP, lai posnya menswa, tasurok ilti kidopi, bisa horo koram, mentak sam kelawan ke NPP hari di sisar, mana wasnai kita surok, mana balai yang kita kidopi.
Cabinet Minister and senior BJP leader